Hello and welcome to FHO Drive2Drive tool. In this video we will show you that how you can create your own account on Drive2Drive Pro. Simply, when you visit our URL, you will see this interface. Click on this button. It will redirect you to sign up page. You will see this notification message and you will see this dashboard, where you will see your account email, your current plan, expires on date, and account status. And on that side, below that area, you will see the personal script link box, which is very necessary. And when you sign up, you will get 50 free credits. So our main task for today is that if you have no script link here, you can't access the engine. So for that, you have to come to guide area, and here you will see this script code. You have to copy this code and then click on this link above, script.google.com. Simply click on this, and here you will have to create a new project. When you click on new project, it will redirect you to this interface. Simply delete all the code here and paste the script you have copied from our site. When you paste that code, simply click on the deploy button above. You will see few options. Click on new deployment, and then from here select type, click on the icon, select web app. Here enter Drive2Drive, and here select me, your own email. Select me. On this area select anyone, then click on deploy. It will take a few minutes. Then it will ask for authorize access. Click on this button. It will redirect you to this pop-up. Here you will see that Google hasn't verified this app. So this is completely normal and very safe. Click on the advanced button, and here you will see go to untitled project. Untitled project is your code that you have just deployed. So click on this untitled project, and it will ask for some permissions to see, edit, create and delete your Google Drive files. This is very necessary because our site will get access to your Google Drive, and then you can upload from one drive to another very easily. Then click on continue. When you click on continue, it will give you a link and a key. Here you will see deployment ID and web app URL. So copy your URL and come to the drive. Click on the dashboard, and here you have to paste your code. Just paste your code and click save engine link. It will show you a confirmation message, and then when you click on engine, it will direct you to this area. And this is the area where you can upload your files from one drive to another in seconds. You have to just paste the links and it will do everything automatically, and the files will transfer in just a few seconds.